This message is for somebody out there who is sick and tired of being sick and tired like I am. I am sick and tired of waking up every day early in the morning to go to an 8 to 5 job. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm already on the go. I'm already going to my job to work as a nurse practitioner. I've been doing this for so many years. And when I was going to school, I thought maybe when you become a nurse practitioner, things will be better. Oh boy, was I wrong. I've been doing this day in and day out. When you get your paycheck, you pay your bills, you can barely have a cent to save for rainy days. This is not the life I envisage for myself. This is not the life I envisage for my children. This is not the life I envisage for my future, because I'm getting older and I cannot save enough money that when I get to a retired age, I can live a comfortable life. It might be able to pay my bills today, but I'm not saving money for tomorrow. And that is a recipe for failure for me. That is a recipe for disaster. So after doing all these things for so many years, trying to save money with an 8 to 5 job, and I was not able to, I had to start thinking out of my comfort zone. I had to start thinking about what else can you do, Judith, to be able to make money, to be able to save money for rainy days. When I stumbled on this digital online business, I said, you know what, bam, that is exactly what I was looking for, because this is something that is very flexible. I can do it on the side. I can do it while I'm at my current job. I can do it on my break time. I don't need to find extra time to do this business because it doesn't entail that much. I don't have to go calling friends or family to come and buy something for me because we do not sell anything. I can do this thing on the go. I'm in the car currently. You can do this thing on the go. So all you need is a phone, an internet connection, or a laptop to do this business. You don't have to be a tech-savvy person, because truly, I don't even know much about computers. I don't know much about technology, but I've been able to do this business because you have a community of friends. This business is a community. It's like a family where you have coaches around who hold your hands and they'll guide and direct you to the right path to success. You have free webinars that will show you what to do and how to do things to succeed in this business. You don't have to go around calling friends. You don't have to go around calling families to come and help you in this business, because you do it at the comfort of your home. All you need is your computer, your phone, and Wi-Fi, of which I'm already paying for. So you don't need to buy anything extra to get onto this business. So my friends and family, if you're somebody out there who relates to my story, if you're somebody out there who is sick and tired of being sick and tired, waking up every day to go to an 8 to 5 job, but you're not seeing the result of this, I encourage you to click on that link below. Click on that link below and learn more about this online business. Click on that link below and get on this roller coaster with us and get a supplementary income for you and your family. I'm going to work every day. What if I get laid off? What if I get sick tomorrow and I'm not able to go to work? I won't get a paycheck, and without a paycheck I cannot pay my bills. Get this supplementary income on the side whereby you don't have to worry about what if I don't go to work, because you don't need to go to work. I want to get to a position in my life where I don't need to work for anybody, that I will stay in my own home and enjoy the home that I've bought for my family and myself, instead of paying home insurance or paying home mortgage, and you don't even live in that house because you're always out there trying to find money to take care of yourself and your family. So if you relate to my message today, click on that learn button and get on this digital marketing business with us, and you will not regret it.
Yes, so my name is Coach Arlette. I'm originally from Cameroon. I reside in the US. I don't know if you already heard from your mentor, or you will be hearing from your mentor very soon. Together with your mentor, we'll be able to hold your hand and show you how we're able to make constant 5 figures from the comfort of your home. I know you're probably rolling your eyes now that, these checks videos again. You're sick and tired of seeing people popping up on your timeline showing you these checks. But my brothers, my sisters, this is legitimate. I call this business my blessing. I call this digital business my miracle, because when I started this business in 2022, as a single mom, being active duty, yes, I had a 9 to 5. So when I see people say, oh, digital business is for jobless people, I'm like, are you serious? I mean, when they talk of plan B, when they talk of multiple income stream, when they talk of cash flow, when they talk of supplementing income, that's what they mean. So not everybody you see online is jobless, okay? We come out here to do these businesses because we so much believe in multiple income stream. And some of us as immigrant, a 9 to 5 paycheck isn't cutting it for us. The eldest from a family of 6, Back in 2022, I could barely support them the way I would have loved to. But all thanks to this business, I'm able to do that. All thanks to this business, I'm now able to purchase properties. When I came to the US, I used to live in a basement, right? I used to rent someone's basement. But today, I did not just move from basement to owning my own home, but I'm now a landlady owning multiple properties, right? So I tell people this has been possible all thanks to this business. So my brothers, my sisters, myself and your mentor will be here to hold your hand to show you that it is possible in the online space. Just take a break right now, right? Just pause for a minute, right? Think about it. We're halfway gone. I felt like I just said Happy New Year 2025, right? A few days ago. That's how I feel. But the year is running so fast. And now I just want you to think about it. Where you are right now. Where do you see yourself by December? Is it going to be better than where you were last year? If not, then we invite you to click on that Learn More button, put your name and email. We'll be able to hold your hand every step of the way. We're talking about a business where you don't have to be tech savvy. We have a whole tech team that will build and customize and maintain your website for you. You don't have to be somebody who has a social media presence. No, we're going to help you build everything from scratch. This is not a business to go call friends and families and bug people. No. My brothers, my sisters, I can go on and on and on. But now I get quite a lot of people say, oh, I'm skeptical. Or is this business legitimate? Please throw that out the window right now, because if this business wasn't legitimate, I would not have started this business while active duty. If this business wasn't legitimate, I would not have been able to use the tax document from this business to buy the properties I've been able to buy in the US. My brothers, my sister, this business is legitimate and is changing lives, but now you're skeptical. But skepticism has never paid anybody's bills. So we invite you, we'll be here to hold your hand every step and show you how you can also build a successful 6-figure online business from the comfort of your home with your phone and your internet connection. I look forward to welcoming you. Bye.